you want to see how I achieve this fish sauce, watch this video so you don't miss out. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing same. In today's recipe, I'm going to be cooking fish sauce, and this is my 2 mackerel fish. I have onion, I have bay leaf, I have garlic, paprika, minced pepper, and here I have my minced spices, ginger, minced spices for aroma, Maggi cube. Here is my curry powder, salt. Here I have 1 bell pepper, and here is my tomato. Here is my oil. Here I have salt. So let's dive into the cooking, guys. Put my vegetable oil, and I'll just allow it to heat up for a few seconds. My onion, my peppers, bay leaf, mixed spices. Mix together, and I'll just cover and allow it to simmer for 1 minute. So now I'm going to stir and add in my tomato. I will combine together. I will cover it and allow it to just simmer for 2 minutes. So I'm going to check on it now. Okay, so what I will do now, I will add in my fish. This is my fish. I deboned them. So I will add it, and I will combine. Salt and see if I will be adding something. Okay, I will be adding some salt. That salt is okay. That amount is okay. To simmer for 1 second. So this is after 1 second. Yes. I'll add in my spring onion. I'll combine together and cover, like to simmer again for another 1 second. So this is it. Our fish sauce is ready. Look at that. Thank you for watching. If you have watched to this extent, like the video, give me a like. If you are new, please subscribe and be a member of this family. See you in my next video. Bye.